Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel. So we are looking into real exam questions. So today we'll cover Calderwood Road to the Belvedere, and we'll look into this. So you can see it looks like a quite long route. So we're gonna start from the green to red. So in this case, we need to plan accordingly so that the route is quite straight and short. So there might be a couple of options available to us. So for example, if we try to take the Blackwall tunnel, so that would possibly take much longer, and it's not going to be a very straight route. So the route that we're going to take, which is going to be a straight route, so we'll show you that one. So let's begin from the green point. So make sure you click on the green point from where we are starting. So that is the Calderwood, and come down. So take the John Wilson, and remember staying on the left side, and don't touch the sidelines. And this is the roundabout, so we're gonna take the first exit here. So we'll carry on going straight. Make sure you just create the smaller lines, smaller and straighter lines when we move through this. So we'll carry on going through. Another roundabout is coming, and from here again we'll take the first exit. So we'll stay on the same road. So keep on moving from here. Again, from this roundabout, we're gonna go straight. So this is practically your quite straight route, if you see here, because we're just following the road for now. So keep going straight from here, and straight again. So when we will approach the next road, we'll just again kind of zoom out here to see where exactly we are and where the destination or the red point is. So yeah, so we'll keep on going straight then, in this case straight, and then we'll at some point we'll go up. Okay, so from here we'll go straight again. So keep going straight from here. Straight here. So we'll just carry on moving straight. Again, once again, just reminding you to stay on the left side. From here again, we're taking the roundabout. It's a roundabout kind of thing. So we'll go straight from here, second exit that we took, and then moving forward, carry on going straight, because if you remember, the red point is away on the top, so this is why we're not going down. We're trying to go up from here. So we'll carry on moving forward. So it's quite straight route in this way. So carry on going up. Yeah, carry on. And then again from here you can see where the arrow is, so kind of follow the arrow. Right. And then from here again follow the arrow. We'll go up from here. So keep on going straight from here again. Another roundabout is approaching. So from here we'll take the first exit, and we'll carry on the same road. So let's look at where we are and where it is. So we are on track for that. So we'll just carry on going straight. straight from here. Now you see here the arrows again. Just make sure that you stay on the left side and then just kind of follow this this arrow from here. Carry on going here, and then from here we'll go up from here, and then turn left, and then again if we look at again the red point, so we can come down from here, and then we can turn right from here and just carry on going. So we'll just keep on moving from here, and then we can now see the red point as well. So keep going straight, and another roundabout is approaching. And from here you'll see not first, second, and third exit will take, because that's where the arrow is as well. So it's one way, and then from here you just turn left. And then this is where the Belvedere is. So just make sure that you click on the red point as well once you get there. Now if you zoom out, so you'll be able to see that it is a long route, but it's quite straight. It's quite straight and quite simple if you look at it. Even though quite long route, you need to plan it accordingly, but once you start where you're driving from, the green point, and then you look at the red point where exactly we need to go, right? So other than that, it's quite simple and straight route. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.